So first I have my Vera Bradley little carry-on. So that's what I'm going to be taking. And then, so just for right now, I put my crossbody bag here that I want to take. I just laid down some socks and undershirts, you know, underwear and stuff like that. And then I have my toiletry bag here and my brush. That's so far. And then I have all of the things I want to take here. I rolled mostly everything because it's going to fit more efficient that way. But first, let me show you guys. This is what I did with my extra pair of shoes. Just put them in a bag, wrap the bag up so it wouldn't get dirty everywhere. And that is what I'm going to put in the pocket right over here. Alright, just like that. It fits perfect. I was debating if I should put it here or on the bottom, but I think it goes perfect right over here. We'll see once I get it all figured out. Okay, and then probably the jeans, because they're the most bulkiest. So I have leggings and then I have my jeans. So I'll probably just put, you know, lay all these things in the bottom. Much easier when you roll. It doesn't take up as much space. It fits very snug. Very good, just like that. And then perfect spot for the umbrella. Taking the umbrella, I'm going to put an umbrella right here. See? Just like that. Alright. Alright. And then I have my jean jacket that I want to take. And this is a little other vest sweater I want to take. So these two I probably just fold like this. And I can put them right in the middle. It's kind of like a median between everything. And then I can put my shirts on the top. The rolled shirts should fit nicely right on the top. And I'm going to have another bag that I'm going to carry on, just like an oversized purse. And I can put all my, the toiletries, the liquid toiletries, the 311, like TSA approved. And another sweater that I'm going to take so I can wear it on the plane. Because, let's face it, planes are cold. But have a belt. You can probably fit that in here. Over here on the side. I would prefer to wear the belt, but then it's just too much hassle to take on and off. So, it'll be okay. And then I'm just going to start piling in the shirts. They actually go better this way. Long ways. Long ways like this. Actually, you know what? Let's see. And I have one more. Let me try to rearrange it for a second. Yep. Okay, so everything fits really nicely. I have all the heavy stuff on the bottom. I even have room on top. I could throw something in. Zip it up. I have this outside pocket if I need it. Which, like I said, I'm going to take my chargers and all that other stuff is just a big oversized purse I always take and carry all that with me. My toiletries, my liquid toiletries, I should say, and my glasses, things like that. And another sweater. So, that is that. Have that all packed for the trip, ready to go. And I can just carry it on. I don't have to worry about checking, paying the fee. Perfect.